afternoon. This is Weekend Updates on CNN Philippines. I'm Mai Rodriguez. Police have identified the suspect in the Resorts World Manila attack as Jesse Carlos. Police revealed more information about the suspect in a media briefing earlier in Pasay City. Our Makoy Papioco joins us on the line from Manila. Makoy, what did the police say about the gunman?
Hi, Mai. 3 days after the attack at Resorts World Manila, the attacker has finally been named. You're right, NCRPO Chief Oscar Albayalde said his name is Jesse Carlos, a 43-year-old Filipino, a resident of Santa Cruz, Manila. Albayalde said Carlos has been hooked on gambling. Carlos's gambling problems has cost him so much debt, which troubled his relationship with his family, especially with his wife. Albayalde says he's separated from his wife, but still lives in the same house. They have 3 children. He used to work for the Department of Finance as a tax specialist 1. According to a high-ranking official at the Finance Department, in 2011, Carlos was sued by the Revenue Integrity Protection Service for unexplained wealth. He was dismissed in 2014 after the Ombudsman denied his motion for reconsideration. Here's NCRPO Chief Oscar Albayalde with further details.
The family confirmed the identity of the perpetrator to be Mr. Jesse Carlos, Filipino, 43 years old, separated, and a former employee of the Department of Finance. Suspect's last known address is at 1663 Felix Fuentes Street, corner San Lazaro, Barangay 339, Zone 34, Santa Cruz, Manila. Accordingly, he's been hooked to gambling for several years already. According to our sources from the casino, high roller ito. High roller siya. His minimum bet is usually 40,000.
I think this already dispels all the notions, all the speculations on terrorism, no? So, yung mga nag-i-spread pa ng speculation o kung ano pang sinasabi na this is an act of terrorism. So, here we are, no? Ito, pinalabas na nating lahat ito sa ating mga kababayan, no? This is the truth. And this is all the truth. Case closed siya, in a sense na dun sa on the part of the suspect, but on the part of the management, and our investigation will go on.
The family of Carlos faced the media, including his father, Fernando, and his mother, Teodora, and also his wife, who had to leave in the middle of the press con because Albayalde said that he was suffering from anxiety. Now, just to put emphasis on what Albayalde said, authorities considered this case closed. He reiterates the incident was not an act of terror. Mai?
Thank you, Makoy Papioco, there reporting to us from Manila. More on this story throughout the day. Do also check our website, cnnphilippines.com, and our social media accounts for the latest developments. Keep it here on CNN Philippines.